Hi everyone. Okay, so this is my first WIP Chat. I'm doing it from my phone, which I've never really done before. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So I think it's recording. Okay, so I decided that because I usually diamond paint with my husband, but we do our own project and it's really big. So I thought, you know what? Let's do something different. That's just for me and you. And so let's go through this kit. So this is going to be from Diamond Art Club, and it is Symbols of Heroism. And so we're going to kit it up. So it's my first kitted up. So we get, because this is square, you're going to have the tweezers and all that good stuff. So this is going to be your, and you get a cover minder, and I showed you what to do with the cover minder last time. And you have your tweezers, your pin, and that can go on the back. I think that you get a 4 and a 7 with Jack, and you get your washi tape and your squishy for your pen and your wax, your little tray, your little dime bags. Okay, so let's see what the kit looks like, and then we're gonna kit it up. So I'm in my craft room, my smaller one, and so you're gonna hear the puppies. This is my bedroom, so this is my nook, so this is where they live, in the bedroom. So you're gonna hear them snoring. That's just what's gonna happen. So this is a smaller one, which I was hoping for. My husband's a firefighter, so I thought this one would be fun to do for just me and you. 43. So there's 43 colors. This is what it's gonna look like. I'm not set up for filming in here, so if there's glare and all that stuff, sorry. It's going to have to be like that. And then 43 colors. This is what you get. You get a start date, which I'll put on there. So, but let's kit it up. That's what we're going to do today. And I will probably only do a WIP Chat with this painting until I'm done, and then we'll change it. But yeah, and then I have my trays from Temu. I bought these from Temu for, I think they were like $28 or so. So hopefully they're fun. Oh, let's look. Oh, so we're gonna get 2 ABs, Aurora Borealis, and that's it. Just 2 ABs in this one. So, okay guys, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So just bear with me. Let's see if we can do this together. Let's see if I don't crack the... Let me not put that on my seat, because if I accidentally sit down, my butt's kind of big and it's going to break it. Okay, so this is 310. So you're going to get 2 310s. I got scissors. I have scissors right here. Not I got scissors, but I have scissors. So let's do it one by one, okay? So let's do... I'm going to do what I've been doing, okay? So let's do it like that. So you're going to take your 310, find your number here, take it off of the little sheet, and then they lay flat like this, so put it on your front like that. And they go this way. Okay, they go that way. And usually you have a plate or something, so you can put the extras down. I have a plate. Hold on. Let me grab that. So yeah, let me grab that. And then let's get to it. So let's see. I have 4 bulldogs. If you don't watch my channel, then that's why there's so much snoring. There's a lot of static in this one. So what you'll do is you'll end up putting... I don't have to get every single one of 310. 310, you're going to have a ton extra because they're the ones that have like the worst drills. They have a lot of defects and stuff. When you deal with black a lot, that's what happens. So black tends to be a problem for everything. Like when you bake, you know, when you do a lot of things, black is a little troublemaker. So So the static means that they're your drills. These are what this is called, our drills. Your little, you can call them diamond dots, diamonds, but they're typically named drills. And you can see the static because they stick to the container. And see, look at, they're all on the side. So what you do is you can either use a Q-tip and some static guard and twirl it around in there, but that one's too big. So what I'm going to do is, I got this from the Dollar Tree. You can use your own, you know, your Downy or your Bounty, all of those. You can use those also, you know, but I have those because I ended up getting some fabric from a friend, and they were kind of like Goodwill stuff, so they stunk a little. So I got these to put in between the sheets, between the fabric, so that way you could soak up some of that, you know, the weird, you know, weird mildew kind of smell. So just put a couple in there, and it's supposed to help it. I find that it does, so it's a good tip. I like using the dryer sheets. So all you do is you put it in, and then you can shake your dryer sheet around, and it'll, you know, just leave it in there, shake it around a little bit, shake it every so often, and you'll be fine. And it should help. So okay, so next one. So that was fun. Okay, it's going to take a while, so we may not go through all of these right now. This is $4.98. $4.98 seems to... Let's look real quick. $8.14. So all of these are kind of small. There's only 310. Had 2 of them. So yeah, only 310. So the rest of them are all small. So we can just use these little guys here. I think we should be fine. I'll use this one for that one. So this is $4.98. So you go to your chart and you find $4.98, which is going to be L. And then you put it on here. And they'll peel off. They usually always peel off easily. I like all those words. Usually, almost always. So it's like, I don't know. It's, yeah. Oh, so that one was really good. So that one just popped out of the package, you know, no problems. So no static on that one. So you can put a dryer sheet in all of them if you want, but you don't have to. So it's up to you. And then we have $7.28, and that is a tiny one. So we can go to this little tiny one. $7.28, and go here. Yeah, because there's 43 colors. That usually takes a while, you guys. So I won't bore you with all of them. I just wanted to get you started because I did say I would, you know, do this WIP and Chat, you know, with you guys from now on. I have glue on my thumb, so it's not my skin peeling off. It's glue from, I did a Project Life video earlier, and I had problems with my glue. This one has a little bit of static. I usually don't, this is my first time using these containers because my husband and I, we diamond paint together. So I actually have the stackable, you know, open air containers. And so those are fun. So. And then that goes there. And then let's go to $37.70. $37.70. Can go here. I'm not like other girls, guys. I bite my nails. I don't have pretty nails. I don't have pretty clothes. I don't have any of that stuff. So what you get is what you get. So sorry if it, you know, if you're like, ew, your nails are so gross. Well, yeah. They are, I agree, but it's a genetic habit. It runs in the family. It's one I can't stop. So, yeah. So let's see, $38.64. It's another little small one. Little small one. That's the word. I'm like silly. $38.64. But this seems kind of fun. I don't have any of the cute containers that some of the other ladies have either. So maybe I'll get some when I do these. I can get at least one of them. I'm not going to buy any of those cute pens because those are $30 usually. And I just cannot afford that and buy the diamond paintings from DAC. So I can't afford it all. And I'm going to pick and choose, but I'm going to pick and choose the diamond paintings because the pens I get from Amazon on Temu are just fine. But they're not the custom ones that you get from like Etsy and stuff, which I wish I could get, but it's not going to happen. And $30 is at least, you know, half of what you could get for a diamond painting on DAC. Because I think the cheapest DAC painting I've seen is like $44. So, yeah. Okay, then we have 648s. I forget how many this comes with. I don't remember, so... But I have 2 of them. I bought 2 of them because I didn't, I watched videos and stuff, and most people had 2. So I was like, okay, maybe I need 2. I'm such a follower. I am. I admit it. I'm okay with it. Perfect. Super cute. Okay. And then let's go to, yeah, this is going to take a while, you guys, so I'll probably end up doing the rest of them off camera. I'm going to do like 15, 20 minutes or so, just so you can get an idea of what to, you know, what to do and stuff. So this one is 8:14 of how, you know, I do this and how long it takes. Because kitting up could be, you know, especially when you have like 72 colors and all that stuff and 64 colors. It's just crazy. So, so yeah, it could take a couple of hours to kit up. And that's if you have like basically no problems. So like no static and stuff. So yeah, it could be, when you have a lot of static and a lot of colors, it takes a longer time. So, I mean, you can enjoy the process or you can be aggravated about it. And I choose just to go with the flow. So, yeah, I just make sure that I'm not in a rush and I have a couple hours to devote to this. Because you just don't know what you're going to get. You just don't. So... Katie from Diamonds and Washi makes this look so easy, you guys. This one has a little bit of static. So, yeah. So, yeah, look at it, it's sticking to me. Okay, so that one deserves a little bit of dryer sheet. So you just stick it in there. I found, because right now my husband and I are doing turkey for Thanksgiving, and I have found that it actually, the dryer sheets did really well. So, like I said, I have glue on me, and so my thumb's peeling. So it's catching on everything. But, you know, watching people kit up and stuff can be boring for some people. Or it can be, you know, where you're just scrapbooking or kitting up yourself and you're just listening and stuff. And, you know, I tell stories when I do my Project Life videos. So you can always skip over to that one if you wanted to listen to a story. Maybe not good stories, but it's, you know, my life. So my life gets to be a little chaotic sometimes. So, okay, so now I found where those other 2 drills went, those 2 from the last one. So when I pop these out, then I'll put them in where they go. Oh, see, look at, they're all right here. I knew I couldn't find them. This is why you kind of want a different colored you want a different container than this. Then, you know, that way you can put it into, you know, something that has a spout, and that way you can put it back in the drawer and stuff. So yeah. So don't do what I'm doing here. So 743. So that should fit into this one. So let's just do it for a couple more. Let me just finish these two, and then we'll call it a night. And then I'll upload the video, and maybe you can get a kit too and start doing this project with me. I'll be able to do to start a WIP Chat with actually doing the project, but not until next week, because I'm leaving, so I'll be gone. So start next week, but at least maybe if you get a kit, you know, from DAC right now, or anybody, you know, Temu or wherever you want to get it from, you know, wherever, Amazon, then you can maybe start with me next week. Can you guys believe it's already almost Thanksgiving? Gosh, it's crazy. I know my birthday is the 22nd, next Wednesday, and I'm going to be 49. I'm like, oh my gosh. My daughter will be 31 on the December 15th. So that's going to be fun too. So, all right, let me go a couple more minutes. How about that? Oh, look at this, another big one. Let's do one more big one. 33.71. Yep. Let's do that one. That looks like fun. 33.71. I wonder if it's loud on the camera. I'm snoring because it's loud. Oh good, this one didn't have any static. So that was cool. They say not to shake them in the bag, because then that kind of leads to more static. So you try and like pretend they're eggs or something, and you don't want to disturb them. That's pretty. Okay, guys. So I'll do that for right now, and then yeah, then I'll finish the rest, and then I'll see you guys next week to start the painting. But yeah, so it has 43 colors, right? 43 colors. It's going to be this one we're going to do together. So super cool. It's going to be fun. Not too much color blocking. It looks to be a little bit, looks to be confetti, which I love. So, which will be nice. This has a little bit of color blocking here, but that's not too bad. But anyways, that's it, you guys. So good night. We'll see y'all later. Bye.